Alright guys, well, it's been a minute since I've, well, either made a video or posted a video. I do have a video mostly edited from months ago on doing an electric fan swap on the Sonoma. I just haven't finished editing it, and I've got a new PC that I just now put Sony Vegas on, so I gotta go back to my laptop and copy the render files over so I can finish editing that. But anyway, this is an update on the Jeep, and probably haven't seen anything on this in a while. The last thing I posted to do with this was when I got the rear axle and did the disc brake swap, which was over a year ago. And yeah, last week it is dark. You might notice that yoke's new. You might also notice that that is no longer a Dana 35. You might also notice disc brakes. You might also notice that's not the original transfer case. Yes, finally, I put a transfer case in it, and I put that 8.25 rear end in it, so it is now driving under its own power. Front axle, on the other hand, is, yep, still broken. Should be doing that tomorrow. So, come tomorrow, the drivetrain will be fixed. And anyone that has a Rinex or a 21 spline transfer case, a manual TJ, I forget which transmission, but there is a manual TJ that has a 21 spline transfer case, that fits the Rinexes. So anybody that has an older Cherokee or even a YJ that has a 21 spline automatic transmission, find a TJ that has, I don't know, if it might be the AX15, I don't remember, or whatever manual transmission the TJ had. I think there was two of them. One of the manual transmissions the TJ has a 21 spline, and that bolts directly up to the Rinex 21 spline AW4. So that was good, because I was having a hard time finding a Rinex error Jeep Cherokee transfer case. And I took a shot in the dark on getting the TJ case after doing some research, and figured out that the input shaft had pretty much all the same dimensions. It's just it came out of a TJ. There was a bunch of people that saying, oh, it's not going to fit. Well, it does fit. I think it is clocked differently. I think it's actually clocked more flat, but I'm not hitting anything, so it's good. So, yeah, that's just an update. I could start it, but I might come back and do that and add it to the end of this video. But yeah, just a quick update on the Trail Jeep, and it is working. And you might also notice the 91 is gone. Yes, the friend that sold me this for cheap back when I was having trouble with the 91, and he was struggling a little bit, so I threw him some money and I got it. He has gotten back into Jeeping, so I sold him the 91 for no more than I bought this from him. So the 91 still has a slight running issue, but we're trying to iron that out. Anyway, this was just a quick update on this. It does still need to be cleaned. I have not touched it. I still need to put the window regulator in it. I need to take the snorkel off of it. Hopefully it's not brittle from it being out in the sun, and I need to paint it like I should have done when I built it. I got to redo some of the snorkel on the inside. I robbed some of the silicone when I did the cold air on my Sonoma. And there's just a bunch of other little things on it. I can finally put the roof rack on it and a bunch of other things. Anyway, but it is driving on its own, under its own power. So I'll also throw in a clip. I'll throw in a clip on what the transfer case happened. I have not taken apart the rear end, but I'll throw in a short clip. Both axle shafts spin freely, and the the yoke, you spin it around a couple times and it locks up. I haven't taken that apart yet, but yeah, the main shaft from the front to the back of the transfer case snapped. Fun times. Anyway, I will talk to y'all later. Bye. That's why my transfer case broke. Old axle down at 35.